Craig says chunky, baby. That's how we roll, nigga. Don't junk it. I'll profit it. Don't profit. I won't junk it. Don't bring your junk over here. Just give it to me. I'll come pick it up for you. All you can do is get it back. Alright, well, this is Cash Monkey Junkie signing out. Just wanted to show you what I do when I'm not doing Cash Monkey Junkie. Pretty much picking up trash all over the goddamn place. This is bullshit. This is bullshit. Christmas trees, all kinds of shit. Well, later, sucker. Yeah.